beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tammy and I help you manifest your dream life with ease and alignment. Today we're doing something powerful and necessary, a mid-year check-in. Whether you've crushed your goals, forgotten half of them, or feel completely off track, this video will help you realign and make the next 6 months count. So let's start with why this matters. Mid-year is like a mini reset button. Life happens, priority shifts, and that's okay. But intentional living means checking in often with yourself, your goals, your habits, your mindset. This keeps you aligned and prevents burnout or disappointment at the end of the year. So what I want you to do is grab your journal, open your notes app, whatever it is that you normally use to reflect, and ask yourself these questions. This is not about judgment, it's about clarity. Let your answers be honest and without shame. Now, look at what still feels aligned. Ask yourself, now this part can be fun. We adjust. So here's how to do it. Keep the goals that still excite you. Let go of the ones that feel heavy or irrelevant. Set new goals if needed, ones that match your current energy, your lifestyle, and your dreams. You could have a fitness goal and maybe swap it for a mental goal and still have like a health goal. Okay, so big goals need small steps. So take each of your revised goals and break them into mini goals or habits. For example, if your goal was to start a YouTube channel, your mini steps could be research niches, find out which one calls to you, plan 3 video ideas, film an intro, and post your first video by August. Did you know goals thrive with structure? So ask yourself, when things get hard, your why is what keeps you going. So write it down, say it out loud, visualize it. Your why, for example, might be, I want to feel proud of the life I'm building, or I want to feel financially free and creatively fulfilled. Remember, adjusting your goals is not quitting, it's evolving. You're allowed to shift. You're allowed to slow down, and you're allowed to start again. Let the second half of this year be powerful because it's aligned, and I'll be here with you every step of the way. Okay, now if you want to, I've left you a little bit of homework. So here are some action steps you can take right now to help you with your mid-year realignment. First, journal your mid-year reflection. Be honest, list what worked and what didn't. Then, reevaluate your top 3 life priorities: health, relationships, career, etc. Edit or replace any outdated goals. Make sure they fit in your current season of life. Break each goal down into smaller, doable steps. Create a routine, a system, or a habit tracker to stay consistent. Write or voice record your why and listen to it anytime you feel stuck. And comment down below what's one goal you're keeping and one goal you're changing. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye guys.